Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn Syosset, Long Island. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Comfort Inn Syosset, Long Island is located in Nassau County, 8.8 miles from Bethpage State Park. Guests can enjoy a complimentary grab-and-go breakfast every morning and Wi-Fi. Free parking is also available. A business center and laundry facilities can be found on site. Guests can also enjoy a drink at the Oak Lounge Bar. New York Institute of Technology is 11 miles from the property, while State University College of Old Westbury is 3 miles away and Nassau Community College is 7 miles from Comfort Inn Syosset, Jericho. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.